Hello everyone, this is Blessy from Pappyjoe software. Today let us see how we can enter and save our patients' health records digitally, which is known as electronic medical records, in short called as EMR. Under EMR we have various parameters. Now let us have a look into each. Suppose a patient named John came to the clinic to consult a doctor for fever. Let's see how Pappyjoe is going to help the clinic. Firstly, to enter Mr. John's vital signs like pulse rate, temperature, BP, etc., doctor can click on EHR and select the patient John. You can see the vital signs, click on it, then click on add vital signs. And here you can enter the vital signs for Mr. John. For example, pulse rate 72, temperature 100, 110, BP 160, weight 55, and once you have done, you can save it. Here, all the parameters are not mandatory. You can fill the required columns. Next, to note the cheap complaints like observations, investigations, etc., click on cheap complaints and add notes, and here you can enter the required column for Mr. John. For example, complaints as fever, observation as weakness, and once you have done with it, you can save the clinical notes. Then next comes the treatment plan. Here, the doctor can plan for the treatment of Mr. John on the basis of clinical notes. For that, click on Treatment Plans, click on Add Plans, thereafter you can select the treatment plan for Mr. John. Once you have done with it, you can save the treatment plan. Now, we can go to the prescription. For that, click on Add Prescription. Click on Add Prescription, and from the drug list, you can select the medicine. If you want in strength, you can change the dosage of the medicine. We can also select the duration like days and timing. Thereafter, you can save the prescription. If you want, you can take the print from here. Next, we can have a look at the attachment. Here, click on Add X-rays or photo files. Thereafter, click on Add Files. You can select the file. Once you have selected the file, you can save it. We can see that the X-ray has been added. Thank you.